Well, hello my friends, your old pal Jordan the Lion. Well, tomorrow I'm actually taking off from Quebec City, so I thought, you know, maybe because of how festive this city is right now and how lit up everything is at night, I should go out and do a night vlog. I should go out and walk around and show you how awesome Quebec City looks in the middle of January. So, let's do it. Let's go see what we can see. And I impulsively bought this today because I just had to have it and then realized, how the heck am I going to get this home? I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out. Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. Look at this. This is literally snow up to your waist. This is up to my waist. All right, it's a little windy, guys, but we'll see what we can see. That is Parliament. And have no fear that we didn't get to see a ton of stuff here in Quebec City, because some stuff I want to come back in the fall or spring or better months to show you. See, that's the Parliament, and you can tell there's statues all over it. And right now, you can see there's also like a construction fence, so we wouldn't be able to get in there to look at any of it anyway, so pretty cool. And as you can see here, the whole area surrounding it, there are statues all over the grounds. Like, there's some over here. Take a look at that building, how they have it all lit up blue. Isn't that great? See, that's kind of a cool statue. Louis Le Fontaine. Kind of thought it was Napoleon at first, kind of looked like him. I assume no one would object going this way. Wow, take a look at that. Garneau. Kind of cool. I saw some old photos today, and this didn't used to all be just one opening. It used to be two, and they had like trolley cars that went through there. There's a statue to Gandhi. Yeah, and they actually have doors that you can get up there. I'm sure there must be like a watchman or somebody that goes up there for some reason. But his name's not Jordan the Lion, so fortunately we won't be. Well, that statue is clearly FDR. That's Franklin Roosevelt. You can see him right there. And then right over here you have Winston Churchill. Kind of drove past this area today coming back from the Ice Hotel, so some of this was kind of new to me, and I figured there'd be nobody out here. But earlier, this is basically a hockey only rink. So it was a bunch of people with their kids out here playing hockey earlier. That was kind of cool. There were at least, you know, we're in Canada, so there were at least, I'd say, 20 people out there during the day, so. Oh, now I'm noticing there are actually stairs and everything you can walk up, but over here they have the gate closed, and this is where you would enter. You would enter here and then walk up to right up there, and then you can walk across there. But they do care about people's safety here, so they lock up stuff, if even for the day. And I literally mean for the day, because some things that were gated and closed off yesterday that I couldn't get to, when I went by them today, they were open, so they salted them during the night. Now we're basically gonna take a big loop today so I can show you as much as I can find. But this is kind of one of the fun streets. And this whole area is just like this. Like I said, we can't see everything on this trip, but certainly wet your whistle in case you ever wanted to come here yourself. Beautiful Cafe Paris. Old twinkling lights. Hey, I'm not afraid to admit, I never wanted Christmas to end. I never asked for it to end. Oh yeah, they still got the Christmas spirit. all those disco balls. Showed you guys the other day. And then we're also coming up on that awesome restaurant that I showed you that has the Santa sleigh. That's right here. I do know my way around a little bit. Looks like Santa's house, doesn't it? Do you see what I mean? Now this is an art store and they have the holiday stuff here, but they also are selling polar bears. So that's Christmassy. Pretty cool art too. Now we're coming up on Chateau Frontenac right up here. Well, we're going the opposite direction, but that's a good looking display as well. I don't suppose they have the ice slide open right now, do they? Wonder if I could get on a sled. So here's the main hub. Here's where that awesome statue is, right in the dead center that I keep showing you guys. And then here's the wonderful hotel. Kind of looks like somebody was attempting a snowman over there, doesn't it? A headless one. No head. So this is one of those things I'm talking about. Right over there, you can see the little prism thing that I showed you guys the other day. Well, when it's not snowy out here, they have multicolored flower patterns and all this stuff going all along this. So those are some of the things I was talking about. You know, we have to come back for that. Here's the kind of glorious chateau at night. I think they could have done a better job lighting it up at night though, don't you? Nope, I just checked. The slide is closed for the night. And I didn't even make it down to the lower part of Quebec City down there. So that's, you take the funicular down to that area and I didn't even get down there. So definitely a second trip back. Look at the bistro. That's the place that we saw those guys standing up there on the roof kicking all the snow off with shovels. Looks great. They even got the little church here lit up. A couple of things for sure I want to show you down here. And check out that building right there that's got the green lights in it. That's the Price building. Kind of cool. It kind of reminds me of Bullock's Wilshire from the front. And it looks great, doesn't it? Anyone need a lamp? Anybody need a genie? There, we've got some festive stuff, but check this out. Look at that wreath. And you know we had to come back and see this one. This was just too good the other day not to come back for. Doesn't that look great? Yeah. Look at that wreath. There's a robin right in the center of it. Oh, this is amazing. Where do you see this? They're colored snowflakes, but from a distance, they look like Grateful Dead bears. Check this out. Do you see them? Oh, yeah. That is awesome. Just driving down the street looking at that. And that's a pretty good look at the building again. You can see a lot of stuff coming up. That isn't quite Christmassy, but that's the Irish pub here. And then they have a wreath right there at least. Check out this general store they have. That's kind of cool. hat with a propeller. Oh, Elvis, are you a Shriner now? And take a look at how he decorates the outside of the store here. This, all the records and everything on here and the license plates. It's kind of cool. A moose giving the peace sign. It ain't Marty Moose, but it's the coolest moose I know. Well, we're getting pretty close to the end of this. Of at least what I wanted to show you anyway. And of course I had breakfast here. They have some drummer boys out front. Well, they boast authentic English fish and chips here, and I know they are because I had them last night, so let's have them again. This place is great. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm already about halfway through it, but it's amazing. And there's those archways that we walked through the other day. Okay, we're pretty close to being done. I want to see if there's anybody ice skating, and we'll end it right over there. Pretty beautiful city at night, I'd say. That looks incredible, doesn't it? That's actually a restaurant. It's an Italian eatery right across from kind of the opera center. Well, obviously nobody's out here ice skating anymore. They've shut it down for the night, and I think we should end the vlog for the night. I want to thank my newest Patreons, Kara and Kathleen Martin, for making contributions to my channel, and thank you all for watching. Come back and see me tomorrow when we depart from Quebec City and head off to... you'll find out then. Have a great night, everyone, and goodbye.